Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv and you will click here on this window. You will click here on first stop and you will click OK. You will go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search for Pixiv and you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.